Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another quick little Roblox video. In this video, we're going to show you how you can favorite games here in Roblox so that you can easily find them and play them later. If this video does help you out, make sure to drop a like in the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Roblox tips and tricks. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. But the first step is obviously finding a game that you want to go ahead and favorite. Now, I already have a lot of games favorited, but in this case, we're going to go ahead and do this like brain rot modded game right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. And once you open up the game, it's going to bring you to the official game page. On this right side, right below the little play button, there's going to be a little star. Go ahead and click on that star, and what it's going to do is favorite the game for you. Now, when you head back to your profile, you're going to see a bunch of different things, but if you scroll down a little bit, there's going to be a favorites option, and the game's going to be in there. Not to mention, this is also going to be on your homepage, which is absolutely awesome. And once again, on the homepage, you do need to scroll down just a little bit. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.